Welcome back to the branding module. In this lesson, we're diving into your brand's inner personality. According to Ethan Braden, the former CMO and CCO at Purdue University, the way that a brand can execute externally is dependent on how well it knows itself internally. A brand's inner personality includes its mission and values, but also the way it expresses itself. And a brand expresses its personality through what it says, and the writing behind that is called copy. Copy is text, basically the words on your website, social media posts, e-newsletters, print marketing materials, etc. The best way to think of your copywriting style is to think about how you talk to your target audience. Because I want my brand to be approachable, fun, energetic, and upbeat, my copy is more colloquial and less serious. I talk directly to the reader so I can build a connection. Going back to our ice cream example, here are some words that each brand uses on their website. Ben & Jerry's, euphoric, chunky, swirly. Haagen-Dazs, passion, extraordinary, rich, infusion. I highly recommend checking out each brand's Instagram account and comparing their captions. Ben & Jerry's caption copy is more playful and experiential, while Haagen-Dazs is serious and more descriptive. When determining your own copywriting style, think about your brand personality and how you communicate with your clients. Are you more serious or more laid back? Is your brand more luxurious or more mainstream? Think of how you describe a flower. Would you use the word smell or fragrance? We'll cover how to write your copy to convert admirers into customers in the next module, but for now, reflect on the writing style that reflects your brand. In the next lesson, we're covering some specific branding circumstances, like if your business should have its own social media profiles and what to do if you have multiple brands. I'll see you there.